At the Kuraray, the improvement and improving ourselves and our products are considered the most important thing to do. Yes, we are a specialty chemical company. We are a manufacturer of the raw material, but we regard ourselves as a solution provider. That's why the manufacturing is the result of the solution. Make more conversation, make more communication with our customer. We develop our product concepts with our customers, perfectly tailored for individual needs.
As a driver, I can't make any compromise when I am on a quick lap. But liquid rubber helps me that I can go quicker every lap and the tire stays consistent.
Liquid rubber can be tested on the kart racing track in order to compete in the most transparent and competitive way possible. We use all levels of the real tire production, including the raw material, the mixing, formulation, and the production of the real tire. Before commercializing our products, we always test it on a smaller scale. In this specific case, we start in a laboratory, we go to the race track until we have the final product.
The smallest detail decides if you win or lose, and nobody wants to lose.
So Kuraray Liquid Rubber enhances the performance of the tire in terms of grip and durability. It can reduce the production costs for high-performance tires. The reason for that is the combination of other raw material is improved. Today, you can find our Kuraray Liquid Rubber not only in kart racing, but also in airplane tires, truck tires, and passenger car tires. So we are ready to create perfect tire with you.